Do you want your ride to arrive to your friends, or you want to add stops to get to somewhere else before they get to you? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Simply open the Uber app, and now what you're gonna do, go ahead and click where to, right? And you're gonna see right here your address, right? And we're gonna put that as the last option. Let's say, for example, I want to add different location. Let's say this address, right? And I'm gonna click the plus button next to it, right? I'm gonna add one stop right here. Let's say the Villaggio Mall, right? And you're gonna see add a stop right here. I'm gonna add a third stop, which is, let's say, Terminal 3. If I want to add more, you can just go ahead and add more than one stop. And you're gonna see right here, pick up now or for later, right? And you're gonna see right here if it was for me or for someone else, or if that stops included some people to take from that address. Okay, so after you added your stops, hit done, right? And you're gonna see the ride option, right? And before we do that, I'm gonna add the last option, which is my location, right? This is the last stop, so I'm gonna add my location. So now I'm gonna hit done, right? And I'm gonna choose the type of ride. Okay, I can use the UberX Saver, right, which is 5 minutes away. They will get to the first address, to the second address, and then to the third address, or one stop, the second stop, and the third stop. And they will pick up maybe individuals, right, your friends maybe, or family members. And you're gonna choose the payment method, cash or Apple Pay, or you can click add payment method, including PayPal or credit or debit card. You can add it manually. So basically, if you want to add voucher code, just go ahead and add voucher code in order to claim and use your voucher. So I'm gonna cancel right here and choose the type of ride. In my case, I'm gonna select the Comfort, right? And I'm gonna click choose Comfort, and I'm gonna continue to pay for the ride. Okay, so now the driver will go to the point A, or the location, the first location, and they will pick up the individual, the second location, and the third location, which is your location, to pick you up to certain, or to pick them up to your location. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.